Welcome back to another CounselMore tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into the Settings menu, Google Drive Setup. If you hold the esteemed position of owning a multi-license account, you'll find that you have 3 distinct options for Google Drive integration. These options dictate the sharing permissions between your team members. I highly recommend consulting with your tech mentor, who will provide a tailored explanation to meet your organization's unique needs. It's imperative to finalize your Google Drive preferences prior to establishing the connection. For immediate assistance, navigate to the Help menu at the top of your screen and select Tech Support. We offer 15-minute Zoom consultations throughout the day, every day. Now we'll address single counselor accounts. Before you delve into Google Drive customizations within your CounselMore account, you'll need to make preliminary adjustments directly in your Google Drive. Open your Google Drive in a new tab. If you haven't yet set up a Google Drive, I urge you to attend our live training sessions on account settings and customizations, where our tech mentors will guide you through the process. Once you've accessed your established Google Drive, create 2 essential folders. The first should be named Student Records or Client Storage. This will serve as the repository for individual client folders automatically generated by CounselMore. The second should be named Materials folder. We'll revisit the Materials folder in a subsequent self-guided training session on Google Drive. Having created the Student Records folder, it's time to link your CounselMore account to your Google Drive. Return to your CounselMore account. Go to Account in the top right, Settings, then Google Drive on the left. There you'll find the Authorize button. If you're unable to locate the Authorize button, it's likely because you're operating on a trial account. In that case, click the Buy Now button at the top of your screen, purchase a plan, and then proceed with this instructional video. Upon initiating the connection, you'll be prompted to authorize your Google Drive. A new window will appear, requesting permission to establish the link between CounselMore and Google Drive. Granting this permission doesn't compromise the security of your Google Drive. Rather, it establishes a secure channel for data exchange. This ensures the utmost safety, security, and privacy, while also enhancing your convenience and productivity. For multi-license accounts, it's advisable to use a generic company email, such as info@yourcollegecounselingcompany.com, rather than a personal one. This reduces complications as your team grows. Once authorization is complete, you'll be returned to your CounselMore account. Click Add Client Storage Folder, and a window will appear displaying a folder selector. Navigate to your Student Records folder, click it once, then hit the blue Select button at the bottom. Voila, you're all set. Great work. In the next video, we'll look at your college data menu defaults. See you there.